Menteriang ba kejala megalia konrad ke sang ma haka penai terai ukala lengkot arajar arpuar ulalej menpli ya ying school ka bedai na benta ka jingpuli ya subject science jong ka Good Shepherd Secondary School Jongksha ringkat kejialiti kejala megalia sa ka jingdap san pos nam ka ne ka school kalarake ya ka jingdap san pos nam ka jongka haka ban a jingnang jingstart bat jingsakri bai ba ka thai mo konro bat ya ka ne ka jirakhe la ple hi do menteriang ba tang kata menteriang ba ulamang tingka absan lang na ka benta ban penhe ya ka science laboratory lengba ka chief minister social grant menteriang ba abakran ulong ba omdan ki school ki bakam he apo ka arpo kilometer ka tai ka thang ki bala banai ka jingi kai ka subject science but ka Good Shepherd High Secondary School la terwa menta kum ka kabui ki samla pule ulong ba undang pe pnia ya ka jingda wa ba bantai dor lingdo amle ka mau konro badai ru menteri sarkar bantai ya community college ha ka tai ko tansi
I have always maintained, and as was mentioned by one of the alumni, that education is really the way to shape our future and to change our society, to take forward our state. We as a state, as a society, as a government, we need to realize that we need to put more and more stress on education. Everything else also is important, but education is one of the primary pillars on which we will be able to take our state forward. I always maintain that youth is very important for our state and for our country. And in all likelihood, it is the most powerful force that we will have in the future for our state and our country. And therefore it is very important that this very powerful force of the youth power that we have, that must be shaped and channelized into a productive channel. And that is why education is important. If this energy is not channelized, it will be a destructive force. So therefore, what we are doing at Good Shepherd School, where we are shaping not just the minds but the hearts, is the way to move forward. It is very important to realize that we need education, but we need to have the right principles, the right character also in our hearts. We need discipline. You may be a very intelligent student, you may be very smart, but if you do not have discipline in your life, nothing will work out for you. You need to be able to work hard. You need to be able to be somebody who is modest, who is somebody who is humble, because these are qualities that you will need in your life as you grow forward. So no matter how educated and how knowledgeable you may be, but if humility is not in you, if discipline is not in you, if the sense of hard work is not in you, then you are not a complete person. And that is why shaping the heart and the mind together is the motto of the Holy Cross Fathers, and is something that I also truly believe in. And that is why I'm very happy to see that the way the children have been shaped here in Good Shepherds is something that will, I'm sure, take the children a long way in their lives as they move forward. So I will be giving 25 lakhs from my side for the lab, from the Chief Minister's special grant, and I will ask my team to coordinate for that, and I'm sure that it's a small drop, but I'm sure it will help you to move forward, and as we go forward, whatever help that is possible from my side, I will be more than happy to give.
Hakawai pat kaliang ba bantai do ringdo ula pentep bo unsono senyang sau pulak tengka syakani ka school ula banjur ya ka jingdon kam bandan ya ka community college ha ka thain khnang ba kanum ban khiai kilong me long pa ba ki khon ki hap ban wan saru sulong nak benta ki jingpuli ki jongki ula jingro ya ka school ka bla jing sakri ban penang prestar ki khna school ha ka thain hakini ki sampos nam wala le.
From my side, I think this is my happiest moment in my life, because it's so coincident. Last few weeks back, we celebrate the 50 years statehood. And now we celebrate again 50 Golden Jubilee of the parish Good Shepherd here in Jongksha. And it's not very easy for us also. It's a long way, 50 years I think. It's not a matter of, just to say, it's a matter of 5-10 years. 50 years. Some of them having, I think, in our area, some of them 50 years must be having a grandchild, you know. But this is a wonderful journey to all of us. And I believe not only 50 years, beyond this, how to move forward for the betterment, especially for the education of our students in our area. I remember when we planned to have this science stream in this secondary school, higher secondary school. Initially, I remember when I was MDC at that point of time. So I discussed with Father Jacob how to start the science stream in our area. I think only Good Shepherd Higher Secondary School can start. But the point is, where we can get financially support. That is a big question. So, thanks to God, at that point of time I was MDC, I was being able to, you know, financially support at least 15 lakh something, if I'm not mistaken. But thanks to Babinsan also, he is not with us. I think he's not well. But he also is been support and laid the foundation for the science stream. So that is we start and we move forward. But today it's happened. Today it's a happening day, I must say. We are being able to inaugurate that science stream. And I don't know how many students right now, but I think it must be 40. Oh, 14. So starting it's 14. That is my lucky number. I was born in 14. Just recently I celebrate my birthday. So 14 is a good number, I think. But I hope beyond that, in the future, we'll have so many students. 40 lakhs I'm giving. I'll come by myself and handing over the water to the management.